Hi everyone, Jonathan here at TopSaw. Today's video is how my students used the Wood Mizer mill to build this beautiful 8-foot by 14-foot cedar deck for almost next to nothing. Power's out in Northern California, second day in public school trying to teach with no power. Got the shop pretty clean, did a little sketching, designing yesterday. Mill still works, gas thing works, so we're going to load kind of a big cedar log, and hopefully that'll go well.
Cedar logs and the wood boards, possibly into a deck. We will see.
So here are the joists cut right here. Here are the 2x8s in cedar. Trying to build a deck up here. So we got our concrete piers in. Deck's going to be 8 foot by 14. anchors are set in concrete. We've got our straight line set there.
That's good.
And then there's the far side of the deck, exactly 8 foot on the outsides. And it's square, true, level. Good. No water up here, so we're water bottling with the concrete. Filling in around the piers. Alright, sun's going down. Got most of the joists in place here. Need to put a few more posts underneath the joists. We're going to cross block it and then deck it. Or not we, they. Thing's beautiful. That's coming along nicely. Sun setting over the deck. Moon coming up. Moonrise, sunset. Alright. All our blocking in. Joists are in. Oh, there it is. Did bring the generator and compressor up. Is that offcut for blocking? Alright, so the decking, blocking, the joists are all in, and now we're putting the decking on. We did run out of a little bit of hand-sawn cedar, but we found some old scabby, I guess, I don't know if those must have been old concrete form boards that we found for that. So now we're in the process of decking. What do you want to do, Bobby?
We should leave the natural edge and then straight cut on the milled pieces and probably follow through with that till the end.
What do you want to do?
I think natural edges on the outside, like Bobby said, and straight cut for the actual decking on the inside.
I mean, one thing about these is they're 6 foot slabs and the deck's 8 foot, so we're only going to go to this joist, and then the next 6 footer will go there, and then we'll have to fit in that piece, which might be a little tricky when we straight edge them.
Yeah.
We should actually cut that piece before, I think.
Yeah.
Because we're going to have to have the same width before. I think actually we might have to lay out this whole deck before it gets nailed down. Maybe just like 1 or 2 screws to hold them in place. I will say, you know, if we natural edge like that, a chair leg's going to fall right through there.
Straight through.
Yeah. And the bark's going to break as it dries.
Yeah.
Down. coated the top of the joist with a finish, with a sealant. Looking good. Looking good. Looking good. Sun setting. If we get it done. There it is. That's the sun setting. There it is. This is the sun setting. If you like this video, hit like if you would. Hit the subscribe button. If you want to subscribe to TopSaw, all things wood, from tree work to woodwork. This is a student-built deck from hand-milled lumber. If you like any of the tools, are in the description, my Amazon store. I'm actually really impressed with these students. This is actually super cool. Last little bit of cleanup. They stained the rim joist around the outside. Still a little staining on top, but looks good. Some little gaps. Natural edge on the two ends.